How to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window, and then go to installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Once it's done, you can go back to the general tab in the same window, and in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11 without any spaces, and then you can close this window. Next, you will need to open up your GPU app where you can get updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need NVIDIA app installed. Go to drivers, select game ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to get the latest available update and install it. Once you do that, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first link for redistributables, and then scroll down to this table here. Download the 86 and the 64-bit versions and install both of them on your PC. Now once you finish installing them, it will ask you to restart your system, and just after the restart you'll need to run Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. If you can search for the logo, right click on run as admin, and then you can proceed to open up the game from your Steam library, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.